How to delete a repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can delete repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your repost on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok application, what you want to do is, let's say you basically went ahead and then reposted a specific video by tapping the share icon here on the right hand side and then tapping the repost option, tapping on the repost way. Now once you've reposted this, if you want to undo it, you can just tap on this repost option itself and then tap on remove repost. But let's say you've been through lots of other videos after that and then you missed the video. For that, your repost will still be saved in one section. For that, you have to just come to the profile page from the bottom right. Then over here you'll be able to see different types of options, and which is this loop icon over here is your repost. So if you've reposted any videos, you'll find them here. Tap on those repost options, tap the share option, tap on remove post, come back, tap on that option, tap the share option, tap on remove repost, come back again, tap on it, tap the share option, and then tap on remove repost. So this way you can delete your repost on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.